Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said that the future of a healthy world depends on the inclusion, integrated vision and collaboration, as he asserted that India's approach offers replicable, scalable and sustainable model to meet the health challenges of the global south. Also in his video message during the 78th session of the World Health Assembly in the Geneva, he highlighted that this year's theme, that is the One World for Health, and emphasized that it aligns with India's vision of the global health. Prime Minister Modi also recalled his address at the 2023 World Health Assembly, where he had spoken about One Earth, One Health, and also pointed out that the future of a healthy world depends on inclusion and integrated vision and collaboration. It also emphasizes the inclusion, that it is the main and the core part of the India's health reform. He also highlighted the Ayushman Bharat, the world's largest health insurance scheme, which covers 580 million people and provide free treatment. Also, the program was recently expanded to cover all Indians above the age of 70 years. He noted India's extensive network of the thousands of health and the wellness centers that facilitate early screening and detection of diseases such as cancer, diabetes and hypertension. Also, Modi underlined the role of the thousands of public pharmacies and providing of the high quality medicines at the significantly lower prices. Highlighting the role of the technology in the improving of the health outcome, Modi also underscored India's digital initiative, like the digital platform that tracks the vaccination of the pregnant women and children, and the unique digital health identity system, which is helping integrate benefit insurance record and information. He also said that the telemedicine, no one too is not very far from the doctor. He also highlighted that India's free telemedicine services, which has enabled over 340 million consultations, also reflecting on the positive impact of the India's health initiative. He noted a significant decline in the out-of-pocket expenditure as a percentage of total health expenditure. Simultaneously, he emphasized that government health expenditure has increased considerably.